Nikola Tesla was born in 1856 to Serbian parents Milutin and Juka Tesla in what is now Croatia. His father was a priest and an intellectual who motivated his son to develop extraordinary mental discipline. His mother invented a number of time-saving machines for household chores. Tesla's father was insisting that his son become a minister, despite his early academic success and apparent curiosity in experimenting with mechanical devices. Only after Tesla sank into an acute physical decline did his father concede and allow him to continue his scientific education at Austria's Graz Polytechnic Institute. Tesla started to consider the possibilities of alternating current electricity while still a student. Alternating current electricity has the ability to produce high voltages over long distances without deteriorating. Tesla stopped attending lectures after 3 years at the Graz Polytechnic Institute. In 1878, he left Graz and went to Maribor to work as a draftsman. Tesla relocated to Prague in 1880 to begin his studies at Karl Ferdinand University. After leaving Prague in 1881, Tesla relocated to Budapest, where he was employed by Ferenc Puskás to assist in the installation of an Edison telephone exchange. Tesla was sent to work for the Continental Edison Company in Paris and Strasbourg, where his work attracted the attention of Charles Batchelor, Edison's French operations manager, who invited Tesla to work for Edison in the United States. In 1884, he moved to New York and took a job with Thomas Edison, who respected Tesla's abilities but refused to fund his arc lighting research. Tesla founded the Tesla Electric Company in 1886 to finance his arc light experiments. More significantly, Tesla resumed his AC studies and applied for more than 30 patents on his method in less than 2 years. Tesla became rich after agreeing to a deal that gave the Westinghouse Corporation control of alternative current production and patents. Tesla allegedly ripped up his deal and rejected any payments for his patents when Westinghouse ran into financial difficulties later. Since he had less financial resources for laboratory space and equipment, this decision had an effect on his future work. He also worked on a transformer that converted low voltage to high voltage while maintaining a safe electrical current. This transformer is known as the Tesla coil. The Tesla system was used by Westinghouse to provide all of the lighting for the Chicago World's Fair in 1893, including the motor, dynamo, and alternative current generator. Alternative current became the preferred form of producing electricity after that. Tesla became well known as a result of this and other achievements. He lived in high society in New York, lectured around the world, and performed public demonstrations of electricity that seemed to be magical. His interests went beyond pure electrical science. He proposed the principles of wireless broadcasting in a speech to the National Electric Light Association. Tesla also experimented with vibration, which is the rapid movement of an object that produces air waves, as well as resonance, which is the effect of air waves on an object. He started to focus more on scientific experimentation as he grew older, rather than his original method of visual invention, which involved perfecting devices in his mind and not constructing models until he was certain they would work. Because of this change in technique, a fire in his research laboratory in 1895 was a major tragedy, as he lost all of his books, notes, and equipment. He did, however, secure funding for a new lab and started pioneering robotics, remote control, and solar energy research. He attempted to develop worldwide communications and power transmission systems at sites in Colorado and Long Island, but he failed due to financial and physics issues. Tesla, like Edison, was hailed as an electrical magician by the public. Images of the inventor seated quietly in front of dazzling electric lights became commonplace. Tesla stayed involved and worked on new concepts. Tesla's efforts were recognized in 1916 when the American Institute of Electrical Engineers, AIEE, awarded him the Edison Medal for meritorious achievement in his early original work in polyphase and high-frequency electrical currents. However, he continued to face financial difficulties, especially after his early patents expired. Tesla became increasingly reclusive and eccentric, and until his death in 1943, he lived alone in a room at the New Yorker Hotel. In 1960, the magnetic flux density unit was named after him.